Hello my quilting friends, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for Zap and Sizzle. So this design starts out with some zigzags and then you go into a wiggly wobbly drunk spiral. And so right now I am travel stitching my way out and then I can explain the design as I go. So here we go. Zigzag, and this is a design I call zippling. It's basically stippling but with straight lines and sharp angles. So it's a lot like stitching lightning bolts. And that's really the inspiration for this design. You know, electricity and clouds and kind of all swirling together. I really like it. All right, so you're gonna do a good bit of this, you know, just basically just zigzagging around with some zippling. And that's going to be the design that kind of links everything together, and it's going to be how you fill most of your quilt. And then every once in a while, whenever you're getting bored or you just feel like, okay, there's enough distance between those nice fluffy clouds, then you're going to go into one of those shapes. And so that is basically just a wiggly wobbly shape. Think of an amoeba, and then spiral inside of it, continuing to wiggle and wobble all the way to the inside. Once you reach as far as you can get without stitching back over your stitching, you're going to travel stitch slowly. Notice how much I slowed down my machine for that travel stitching. You gotta go slow in order to keep it nice and neat. Okay, once you get out and you can get back to your zippling, that's what you're gonna do. And that is how you stitch Zap and Sizzle. Find many more free motion quilting videos at leahday.com/FMQ.